Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start in the water with a quick, focused assessment. Check each float for punctures, buoyancy loss, and worn anchors so you know what to replace and why. Once done, remove only the fasteners holding the worst float. Use a ratchet and keep the hardware dry in a bucket. Make sure to don a PFD and position a buoyant staging board. This stabilizes the dock while you work and prevents sudden tilt that could stress nearby attachment points. You now lift and detach the failed float. Relieve load first so the structure doesn't sag. Place temporary blocks or a second boat under the frame. Once the float is free, clean bracket surfaces and inspect for corrosion. Replacing corroded brackets is critical because new foam on bad hardware will fail quickly. Fit the new float, align it squarely, and hand start stainless fasteners to prevent cross-threading. Then torque evenly. And apply You finish by tightening straps evenly and following torque specs, so the float sits flush and transfers load properly. Once tight, slowly remove the temporary supports and observe the dock under full load. If it tilts or lists, red-eye-tin and check bracket alignment. Make sure to test again after 24 hours in case foam absorbs water. If a problem persists, sag, leak, or shifting, consider replacing corroded hardware or resealing seams immediately. That one action fixes most post-install issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.